you guys? It's your boy Marco, Max Out Marco, as some of you guys like to call me. Today we're talking about, how to get the bag. Alright, so this is really simple when it comes to business credit. Everyone wants the Chases, the Amexes and all that. But listen, at the end of the day, does that really matter? Let's jump right into it. Alright, so here's how you get the bag. First, you have to have your personal foundation correct. Your personal foundation is correct, meaning your personal credit has to be in order. Okay, here are 4 lists in which I compiled in order for this to happen. Number 1, on your FICO score, 720 and above. Okay, on all 3 credit bureaus, your Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. Okay, 720 and above. More importantly, inside of your score is your report. You want your report to have some key factors: 100% payment history, 0 derogatories, at least 5 years in age, 1 to 2 inquiries. If I'm going too fast, just rewind this video. And your utilization should be 0 to 9% at the time in which you are going for a funding sequence, okay? Those are some things to go into. Now, inside of your profile, you want to make sure you have high limit personal cards. There's no shortcut to this. Listen, I've been at this thing personally for my own self for at least 3 years, trying to figure it out, trying to get the shortcut, the fastest way to the. If I just done this simply right the first time, I would have saved 2 years, okay? Climb the ladders is the fastest way. Climbing the ladders is the fastest way. Are there a few things here and there you can do? Sure. But climbing the ladder the right way the first time is the fastest way. Alright, so on get high personal credit card limits. Why is this important? Because your high personal credit card limits allows you to have 3x on your business funding. Okay, so for example, make sure you have at least a 5K card at a minimum to start. Ideally, for my clients, you want to be at least a 10K to 20K personal card, because now we can get 40K, a 60K business card. Okay, super important. If you don't have those yet, start off with your starter card, right? Build that up 3 months, 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, build those up and watch your limits increase, okay? Point number 3. Build banking relationships. This is huge. I dropped a video earlier about relationship banking. Game changer, because this is the difference between you receiving 10K and 50K. Huge difference. Now, when we talk about relationship banking, what exactly do we mean? With your financial institutions, either your credit unions, your big financial banks, your Chases, your Wells Fargo, your American Express, your Bank of America, your Citizens Bank, all of those guys, build banking relationships with them, especially the guys that you plan to open a business credit card with, right? Or you just super important. Now, building that relationship, what does that look like? Having a checking account. It looks like making deposits and transactions in and out of that account. So when you do apply, if you go over for a business funding sequence, you get large limits. Okay, point number 4, build your business credit the right way. Okay, and building your business credit right way looks like this. You have an EIN, you have an LLC, you have your Dun & Bradstreet number. There's a whole video as to build business credit fast. Links in the description. Have all those things the right way. So now when it's time, especially if you're going for credit repair at the moment, if you're in credit repair at the moment, this is the perfect time to start building your business credit and having those things in line. If you're already in funding or you have really high credit score, you meet all those things, and you don't have your credit and you don't have your business credit right yet, just start all of those processes at the same time. Watch that video on how to build business credit fast, and make sure you have those outlines and structure. Those 4 things. Number 1, fix your credit. 720 and up on FICO and all things. I'll say 730 and above. Get high limits on your personal cards. Number 2, build banking relationships, number 3, and build your business credit the right way, number 4, will get you to the bag every single time. Every single time I have a client, or even experimenting on myself, that I followed all of this, it works every single time. Minimum 70K in business funding on round number 1. That's exactly how you get to the bag. I know this is short and sweet, but the execution of this information is where it's at. Catch you guys on the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Join the tribe. Join the Facebook group. It's free. You have to apply to join. However, looking forward to building with you. Catch you in the next video. Peace.